Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making a quick and easy recipe with fish. It is a Bengali delicacy specially made with hilsa, prawn or Nile perch, bhetki in Bengali. You may use fish of your choice to make this recipe. So let's get started. To make the marinade, I have added a tablespoon each of onion paste, ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of mustard paste. I have also added green chilies along with the mustard seed to make this paste. For the spices, add a teaspoon of turmeric, red chili powder and half teaspoon of coriander and cumin powder. Add salt as per your taste. In Bengal, we prefer making our dishes with mustard oil, especially fishes. Mustard seed and oil together gives a beautiful pungent and spicy flavor to it. If it's too pungent for you, go ahead and use any vegetable oil of your choice. Now it's time to massage and marinate the fish and let it rest and absorb all the flavors for at least 10 minutes. I love the flavor of green chilies in this fish, so I have added few more before cooking. The cooking part of the recipe is the easiest and the most relaxing. Now you just have to cover and let it steam for 10 more minutes and it's done. Enjoy it with hot steaming white rice. If you like my videos, please do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.